one. Stranded on the highway. But, pull up king, I have arrived. And I'm gonna go ahead and knock this alternator out. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get it done on the side of the road with my loyal customer. All right, so we gotta get this jug from here. All right, we got the alternator sitting right here. We got it. Remove that harness there. I'm gonna use this wrench, 15 mil ratchet wrench, to get these bolts off down here. Yeah, one of these bolts was already gone. I remember that. One of the nuts. That's a nut. I be calling them bolts. So that's what we looking at. Got those two nuts off. All right, before I get too ahead of myself, we got to remove the serpentine belt. So in order to do that, we got to take off the tire. Take this flap off right here. All right, we got that off. And that right there is the belt tensioner. And pull on it. And that belt come off. All right, next we got this idler pulley right here. That bolt is holding the bottom of the alternator. All right, all we need is a 15 on there, and that'll break free. All right, we got it backed out. All right, make sure you keep that the way it is, because if you don't put that in the right order, that thing gonna make a lot of noise when it's spinning. But as you can see, that alternator is ready to come out now. So we're going up top, and we're gonna pull it from up top. Next, we got these studs right here. We want to back those out. We'll have room to get this out. They held in by Torx. All right, so we can pull that alternator out now. That gold. All right, let's go swap it out.
Next one. Mr. Pierce, you need the oil filter.
Yeah. In with the bolts. Got those studs in there. We back in there. Put that battery in there, start it up. Alright, for the moment of truth. You said the key is stuck in the ignition, right? Alright, go ahead, see if it'll come out, see if it'll start up. That's it. The light off. The battery light. Yes, sir. Pull up king. Oh, your power steering fluid is leaking.
I know. I have to put some in there. I got some in the parking lot.
I noticed it's leaking from the bottom. At your rescue. The pull-up king to the rescue. Huh? You did? Oh shit. Yeah. All right. Until next time.